Diana Ross, a musical icon and legendary figure, is known worldwide for her incredible achievements and her $250 million net worth. From being the lead singer of the Supremes to a solo superstar, she has built an empire under her name. With 12 Grammy Awards, iconic hits like I'm Coming Out and Ain't Number Mountain High Enough, and unforgettable performances in the film industry, Diana has made a mark in every field. Having sold over 100 million albums worldwide, she has cemented her place as one of the greatest artists of all time. Through her music, acting, and philanthropy, she has established her legacy. Today, we're diving into her life, her career, her multi-million-dollar fortune, and her lavish lifestyle. Diana Ross was born on March 26, 1944, in Detroit, Michigan. Her birth name was Diana Ernestine Earl Ross. Growing up, her family wasn't financially well off, but her mother's support and encouragement played a significant role in shaping Diana's future. She attended early schooling in Detroit, where her passion for music began at a young age. For Diana, music wasn't just a hobby, it became her life's purpose. Her career took off when she auditioned for Motown Records and joined the Supremes, marking the beginning of her musical journey. Diana's musical journey began with the Supremes, where she was the lead singer. The Supremes became one of the most successful girl groups of the 1960s, with hit songs like Stop, In the Name of Love, and You Can't Hurry Love reaching worldwide audiences. Later, Diana launched her solo career and gave the world timeless hits like I'm Coming Out and Endless Love. She went on to win 12 Grammy Awards, American Music Awards, and multiple top positions on the Billboard Hot 100 charts. Diana's music continues to inspire every generation. She ventured into various music genres and showcased her versatility in every performance. Hits like Ain't Number Mountain High Enough brought her global recognition, strengthening her musical legacy. Diana Ross also achieved significant success in her acting career. Her acting debut came in 1972 when she portrayed Billie Holiday in Lady Sings the Blues, earning a Golden Globe Award for her performance and critical acclaim. Diana's acting depth solidified her place in the film industry as a respected figure. She further showcased her acting skills in films like Mahogany, 1975, and The Wiz, 1978. In The Wiz, she played the iconic role of Dorothy, which became a significant milestone in her acting career. Just as her music career was impactful, Diana's acting career also reached new heights, further enhancing her stardom. Diana's solo career became a vital part of her musical legacy. After leaving the Supremes, she established herself as a solo artist and took the world by storm with her music. Her albums, such as Diana and Touch Me in the Morning, achieved worldwide success. Diana evolved her music by exploring different genres such as pop, R&B, and soul, reaching audiences across various age groups. Her songs like Ain't Number Mountain High Enough and I'm Coming Out became anthems. Diana Ross carved her identity as a solo artist while simultaneously creating a successful acting career. Throughout her acting career, Diana was nominated for prestigious awards like the Golden Globe Award and the Academy Award, further solidifying her multi-talented legacy. Diana Ross's personal life has always been a subject of public interest. She married Robert Ellis Silverstein in 1971, with whom she had her first child, Tracy Ellis Ross, who is now a famous actress. Diana later married Arne Nace Jr. and had 2 more children, Ross Arne and Evan Ross. Diana has always prioritized her family, and despite her fame, she has managed to keep a balance between her personal and professional life. Her children have also found success, with her son Evan Ross becoming an actor and singer. Diana's family plays a crucial role in her life and has contributed to the balance she maintains between work and home life. Diana Ross has an estimated net worth of $250 million. She has accumulated substantial wealth through her music career, acting roles, tours, and other business ventures. Diana's financial portfolio is diverse, as she has earned significant income from album sales, concerts, and royalties. She has worked with various record labels, conducted tours, and featured in numerous film projects that have added to her wealth. Diana's name is not only prestigious in the music industry but also in the realms of film and business. Her financial success is a direct result of her immense talent and dedication to her craft. Diana Ross's luxurious lifestyle is reflected in her impressive car collection. Her garage boasts luxury cars from the world's top brands like Rolls-Royce, Mercedes-Benz, and Lamborghini. Diana has a passion for high-end vehicles, and her car collection is a testament to her love for luxury and style. Her collection includes iconic cars like the Rolls-Royce Phantom and Mercedes-Benz S-Class, which reflect her taste and status. For Diana, her cars are not just a means of transportation but a statement of her success. Her choice of vehicles is all about comfort, style, and luxury, just as her entire lifestyle represents the fruits of her hard work and achievements. Diana Ross's mansion is a symbol of her lavish lifestyle. Her Beverly Hills estate is one of the world's most prestigious and luxurious properties. Diana designed her mansion with a perfect blend of classic and modern styles. Located in Beverly Hills, California, this mansion further highlights her exclusivity. The mansion is situated in a prime location, as Beverly Hills is home to Hollywood celebrities and high-net-worth individuals. The area is known for its luxury, and Diana's residence fits right in. The mansion is known for its privacy and tranquility, offering Diana and her family a peaceful retreat. The estimated price of this mansion is between $40 million to $50 million. The size, location, and high-end amenities contribute to this price. The mansion spans over 10,000 square feet and includes multiple bedrooms, luxurious bathrooms, a swimming pool, and expansive gardens. The interior features high-end finishes like marble flooring, custom wood paneling, and designer furniture. Open-concept living spaces and floor-to-ceiling windows allow natural light to pour in, providing stunning views of the surrounding landscape. Diana's mansion is a perfect example of luxury, comfort, and exclusivity, reflecting her wealth and success. Living in Beverly Hills enhances Diana's social status, making her mansion not just a home but a lifestyle statement that reflects her global success. Diana Ross has used her fame and fortune to give back to society. She established the Diana Ross Foundation, which helps underprivileged communities. The foundation supports children's aid, education, and the arts. Diana has also worked extensively on raising awareness for causes like autism, HIV, AIDS, and Parkinson's disease. Her philanthropic efforts highlight her cultural and social impact. Diana has used her influence to bring about positive changes, helping those in need while contributing to meaningful causes. Diana Ross has not only made a name for herself in music and acting but has also used her wealth and fame to support social causes. Her legacy continues through her $250 million net worth, luxurious lifestyle, and social impact, making her an inspiration to the world. If you enjoyed learning about Diana Ross's life and career, make sure to subscribe to our channel and share this video with your friends. Stay tuned for more amazing content.